This dumping site is located in Butelele zone in the northwest of Bujumbura city. It is currently 2 p.m. The garbage receives all the waste from homes, markets, and factories throughout the city. Upon arrival, a sharp smell is felt everywhere. These are trucks unloading garbage collected from various neighborhoods of the city. Children, women, and men are trying to scavenge something from the waste. These are the members of a cooperative responsible for sorting non-biodegradable waste, especially plastic materials. For them, this work is their only means of livelihood.
Hakamaro twe bidufitiye bituma igihugu cyacu ata bintu by'ubucafu bibaho. Twebwe mu bihe tuba tubikoze neza turashobora kubibyazamo umusaruro ugasanga turarosekije mu cy'abana bafungura. Dusanzwe dutoragura ubucafu, tugatoragura ibi bintu by'ibicupa, tugatoragura amashashe, tugatoragura amagunira kugira ngo dukureho ibintu by'ubucafu babidukikije tudegeranirize hamwe.
Despite this, the negative effects, including diseases, are not isolated. During both dry and rainy seasons, the smell becomes unbearable, causing residents living near the site to suffer from hygienic-related illnesses such as cholera, amoebas, and others. On top of that, some children drop out of school in the hope of earning a living.
Ko utegerezwa ko dushikira cyane naho imvura itabigoye umuntu ko guma wabayeho kuko urabona ko je baturiye ajya amashashe hariya umuntu ko wibisato byinka baba bamaze kuza gutaho hariya bose urabona umuyaga upepura ujana hariya twese turashikiye
kwiga bicuca dusanga bitunanira rero ko ayo mashure rero cya bituma n'umuntu munyeshure acika inguvu mu kwiga kuko ukora ngaho maze kuronka bibiri urumwa ufise nk'imyaka nka 12 n'icyumviro cyo kujya kwishuri kica kivamo.
Environmental experts raise red flags of looming severe negative effects on the environment. Remy Marie Nkurunziza, an environmental specialist and university lecturer, warns that the site poses a threat to the environment, especially the living organisms in the lake Tanganyika.
Abantu gusa ntibayibona igituma bikibangamiye babona ngo biri kure ya Tanganyika mugabo sivyo hariho uko bijya ibintu birundanye nakubwiye ko imicafu irabona ko birundanye gambe n'imicafu icangacanganye toye harimo ibibora harimo ibitabora harimo imiti yo kwa muganga harimo ibikoko byapfuye ibintu byinshi bitwangadwanganye burya biri hajya muri ryamyana ivyo rero biragenda bikabora bikavamo ibintu by'ibizi ivyo twita lorixivia mu gifaransa ivyo bizi rero biba birimo ubumara uteye hajya n'imvura iguye ari nyinshi ivyo bizi n'ahandi bijana bica bijana n'iki n'imivo y'imvura bikaja hehe mu nzuzi.
Are the authorities aware of these consequences of this dumping site? In response to the concerns, Leonidas Nibigila, head of the Urban and Housing Development Agency, acknowledged the concerns.
Ndashaka kuvuga inyifato y'abene gihugu muri rusange. Turagerageza guhamagarira abene gihugu yuko bogerageza bagatahura yuko ubucafu subwo kujyamamo. Ni kugerageza rero yuko twogabanya ku rugero rushimishije bari abantu basanzara mu kuko kenshi bica bisanzwazwa n'abantu. Turababwira yuko ubucafu mu gihe bukiri hamwe ushobora gutera ingwara.
To better manage and sort the waste dumped at the site, Nibigira says the government has implemented a new system to separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. However, he doesn't give a timeline for when this initiative will begin.
Tugize iminsi dukorana n'abari mu burongozi bw'igisagara cya Bujumbura kugira ngo turabe ingene two kwiyumvira hano muri kino kigo ubu hatwari twashikirije indinganizo yuko hari ahantu byoba koko aho ikibanza koko cimfata kibanza twari ko turiyumvira yuko turategura iprojet yuko twokora ico bita décharge contrôlée no kuvuga ni aho duta imicafu mugabo hatunganijwe mu buryo butomoye, aho hatangura kuri cya kindi cyo kurobanura ya micafu nababwira, hanyuma hagasigara ibice bibora gusa.
Environmental experts are urging the public, especially residents of Bujumbura and its surrounding areas, to prioritize sanitation efforts in order to prevent diseases linked to poor hygiene and to improve the city's image. They also call on local leaders to lead by example in educating their communities. To support this effort, the head of Obuha calls on the youth-led organizations responsible for collecting plastic waste to collaborate with them.